In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your CVV code on your card and what a CVV code actually is. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on your card and why this little code is so important for your security when shopping online. Let's start with what a CVV code is. CVV stands for Card Verification Value. You might also see it called a CVC or security code, depending on the card issuer. It's a short number printed on your card that helps confirm you actually have the physical card in your hands when you're making a purchase, especially online or over the phone. Think of it as an extra layer of protection on top of your card number and expiration date. Now, where you find your CVV depends on the type of card you're using. For most credit and debit cards, especially those from major providers, the CVV is a 3-digit number located on the back of the card. Turn your card over and look near the signature panel. You'll usually see a series of digits printed there. The last 3 digits, set slightly apart or printed after part of your card number, are your CVV. Some cards place this security code on the front instead. For example, certain cards have a 4-digit code printed above or near the main card number on the front of the card. In that case, that 4-digit number is your CVV or security code. If you're not sure, you can usually confirm by checking the small print on the back of the card, or by visiting your card issuer's official website, where they often show exactly where the code is located. It's important to remember that your CVV is different from your PIN. Your PIN is used at ATMs or payment terminals and should never be shared. Your CVV is only for transactions where the card isn't physically inserted or tapped, like online shopping or phone orders. Here are a few safety tips when using your CVV. Only enter it on websites you trust and that use secure connections. You can check this by looking for HTTPS in the address bar and a small lock icon in your browser. Never share your CVV code through email, text, or messaging apps, and be cautious of anyone who unexpectedly asks for it. If your card is ever lost, stolen, or you suspect someone has your card details, contact your bank or card provider immediately so they can help protect your account. That's all you need to know to find your CVV code and understand what it does.